drawing a flower and her friends, butterfly. I love the drawing and painting. Let's try to drawing it with me. The flower and butterfly is colorful like a rainbow. First, I want to drawing the eyes of the flower. Look, she is smiling. Then I want to drawing the petals of the flower. She has 5 petals. Then the flower stalk. And the leaf. The flower lives in the pot. I want to drawing her friends, butterfly. The butterfly has the eye. And the antennas too. They look so happy. The butterfly has beautiful wings. She has cute pattern in her wings. Time. Let's coloring. Orange. Yellow. Pink. Red. Orange. Pink. Light blue. Green. Light green. Brown. Now let's color in the butterfly. Pink. Orange. Light blue. Dark blue. Red.
Skip to my loo, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo.
Light blue.
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo.
Violet.
Loo, loo. Skip to my loo. Loo, loo. Skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2.
Orange. They were so beautiful, right? I want to thinking butterflies and tennis. Let's make they colorful and shining like a rainbow. Blink, blink, yup.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you on the next videos.